Good morning. Today is Wednesday and it's March 20th. The time right now is 9 o'clock sharp in the morning. Overnight, we have a bit of movements, but not very much. The focus was actually on the Bank of Japan after it exit its 8 years experiment of negative interest rates. And we did have some kind of movements in the dollar markets, but not very much in elsewhere. We don't see big movements in precious metals, although crude oil has actually edged higher to fresh year high, and the US equity market is struggling. We have the S&P 500, which is the chart in front of you. This is the 4 hours time frame. You can see overnight it gained a little bit less than half a point, but we can see that the market right now is elevated. It looks like it's about to break out to the upside. The all-time high traded is 5,188.42, which was last traded last Friday. And although we do see higher prices overnight, the market right now is in a position whereby it may actually come back down. The area to watch will be 5,171.9 to 5,186.15. I would like to see lower prices going forward, because I think the Dow Jones has not had fresh highs for a month now. So we can see that there's a bit of a struggle in equity markets. And tonight, the catalyst obviously will be the FOMC meeting, which is the Federal Open Market Committee, which ends its 2 days deliberation tonight. That will be at 2 o'clock in the morning on Thursday, technically in Singapore time. So do watch out for some fireworks right after they finish the meeting and when the Fed chairman give his press conference. I do expect some volatile movements coming tonight, because the fact that Bank of Japan has actually pivoted has told us that we are in for some bit of a upheaval in financial markets going forward. Because you may not think that it is going to be a big deal, but I think the Bank of Japan's abandonment of these negative interest rates will have long-term implications, not only for the dollar yen, but also for the Nikkei, as well as for global equity markets. So watch out for tonight's potentially volatile session going forward. At the bare minimum, I think if the market should pull back down, it should actually be targeting the 5,000 level for once, although I do have a somewhat more bearish outlook with the possibility of testing the 4,009 levels over time. So do watch out for some kind of pullback in equity markets. I do not believe that we are seeing a crash, but I think a pullback is more or less healthy for the long-term viability of bull markets. So let's watch out. Bye-bye. Take care.